Morning guys, today I'm back with a new vlog because I am going Ikea and I'm going Primark with my mum today. As you can see, my hair is drying. I'm only doing my eyes because masks, I can't be bothered to do the rest of my makeup, keep topping up throughout the day when I'm going to be in and out of shops, so there's just no point. So I do have on some lashes. These are these ones, the Primark Girls with Attitude Fantasy Fairy lashes, if you're interested. Done my eyebrows, so yeah, the next clip you will see is either me walking the dog or me eating a sandwich from the cafe because I'm gonna go and get me mum breakfast. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax for a little while and then make my way to meet my mum. She's gonna drop the kids to school, but I was originally gonna go with her, but then we thought my little sister, the only one time I went with my mum to drop into school, she got really upset and she's never been upset. So yeah, I'm not gonna drop them to school with her, but I am gonna meet her afterwards and take the bus down. So I will see you soon. I don't know how this vlog's gonna be, let's just say that. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be talking much or if I'm just gonna show you a lot, just because I've never vlogged in public. This will be a first time, so let's see how it goes. I feel like I always kill these. Is this even real?
I don't think they're real.
Oh no, I don't think so. Something smells nice though. Make sure I remember this one. This one would do good for the TV. Everyone's loving these now. They're like from
Beauty and the Beast. We have one.
I do want one of these one day. Maybe. Oh my god, look how bougie this sand timer is. Fucking beads. Yeah, they'd smash it though. This is definitely a room that I would have liked. We've got that, haven't we?
I'm gonna get all the candles.
You will.
Nice, it just stop me.
That peach one's nice though.
Yeah, stop it, because I'll end up taking all the candles.
I do want that vase, I think. Once I see what colour green is in my room, I think I'll get that vase. I did used to want something like this back in the day.
Yeah, you did.
Not anymore.
I always wanted one of them.
Yeah. Stop running me over with your bloody... Definitely be a good idea for tip.
Yeah.
Oh look, here they are. How much are they? £7. And then you get the paper as well. For like £4, yeah. They sell the paper.
Oh, deal.
Even the green pillows, mum. Because I could get green and pink. But these are quite flat. They look nice. They're showing more blue on the camera. Fake plant galore. Go on, pick up your cat biscuits, mum. Oh look, more candles and stuff. Alright mum, you don't need to eat it. These are really nice, £3 though. Quite decent.
I use chopping boards, the wooden ones. Because I like to get the big knife back.
And stab your finger, yeah.
No, and I chop them in half.
How do you chop a chopping board in half?
I've chopped it in half 3 times already. So my chopping board is like that now.
So you need a new chopping board.
Yeah.
Less strong fucking knives.
No one trusts me with knives.
I wouldn't trust you either. Can you put that in there? Oh, look at this.
That is nice.
Because I want pink and green.
This is more.
It's only £9. Yeah, that would still be nice. Because I could get like a grey cover and put pink. And look, you see we saw the green pillows. These are the pink ones.
Well, these feel nice and soft, look.
The only thing is, if I have foundation on my face, that will mark up.
Yeah.
need a new rug as well. So if I'm getting lino.
You want a rug when you get out of bed?
Yeah. Oh no, that's not that soft. That one does look a little bit. Oh yeah, that's much better. And I swear it was cheaper. That one's 25. That was the one we felt.
Yeah.
So then how much is this? Is the price on the other side?
No, there's no price on it.
Ultimate soft one, Mum.
Cashmere, isn't it?
I don't know. Oh no, that's not as soft as I thought it'd be. There was me saying £3 on a bath mat. 150, Mum.
This one, how much is this one?
That's the 550 one, yeah.
That is a lovely one.
Look at that reindeer, Mum.
Beautiful.
30 quid though.
A lot of money.
Yeah, but then my Decenio prints were quite expensive.
Really?
Yeah, it was like 70 quid. Oh, wait, I thought it was 2.
Is it true?
No, I think they're stuck together. It can't be 2. Oh, yeah, it is. It's 2. Oh, look at the bear. Oh, the elephant. That's 15 quid, the elephant. It is an elephant at the back, isn't it?
No.
Oh, no, it's... Need my glasses. It's cute, that roses one, but I don't think I'll ever... Actually, my room is going to be pink and green. How much is it? Like 45?
37, I think it is.
Oh, that's not too...
Well, above nice as well.
That's actually quite nice. I like that. We've entered the candles. No, you can... These are massive. I don't say... Well, these ones are 4 quid.
What are these?
Tea light holders. Put the candle in.
Yeah.
But I like the clear ones that we saw, but these are on offer for £2.95.
Yeah, but they're glass.
So were the other ones. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, more tea light holders. I did like those plain ones, like just the square. And it smells so good down here. Oh, Mum, those pink vases. I feel like maybe like the 2 little...
American vases. Vases.
Sharp. Anywho, I feel like the green ones we saw, if I had 2 of those next to like one pink one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that one smells good.
They've got them in different sizes.
Ah. An Ikea gift card. Ooh. Look at these.
I thought it'd have a nice smell, but you can't really smell nothing.
These are like 6 quid. Fuck, I'll go drop it. Oh, smell that.
Oh, smell that one, Liz.
That's the one we smelt, you idiot, back there.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Oh. Spend our life in the candle section. That is a Greek candle.
That is a nice one.
Ooh. Make an Afghan lemony, just stick that on in the background.
Yeah. Good idea.
Oh, this is cute.
Ooh, smell that. Ugh.
Ugh, no.
That really does smell like Leo.
It smelled really musky. That was what I nearly dropped earlier.
You did have me doing that.
I don't know if I caught it. I'm thinking, because there'll be more space in my room, I actually might get a tall fake plant.
No.
Only 3 quid. So many of those pots that I love.
when you go out of them. You like them, then you stop using them.
Yeah. And then Tiff ends up with them.
Yeah. I think these aren't fake, they're real.
Some of them are fake. They usually have tall fake plants.
Oh, that's real.
I think that one up there. Maybe even this one down here. Only you. That would be my perfect garden. Oh, more candles.
Can't smell nothing. I could just still smell that blackberry or cherry or whatever.
God, only you, man. That light in the mirror is really gonna irritate me. Like, let me try and keep myself in front. But did get a huge bag from Ikea. First thing I got was this wooden thing for my little sister's birthday. So you put like paper there and it rolls and she can draw on it and stuff. And this was £7. I'm not putting that together. I'm going to leave that to mum to give to their dad to do. Got myself a little cushion cover. This was like £4 for the filming chair because I'm always sliding off of it, like literally. If you see in my videos that I suddenly just go because of the cushion. Mum needed some more cups. These went down from £1.25 to £1. That's the roll of paper, which was £4 for her. It's her birthday coming up, so I thought I'd just get it. She likes little things like that. Got a new iPad stand because the one I'm using is nice and everything, but like it's like that little wooden thing. Like sometimes the iPad can like go from side to side. Thought this would be perfect. So this was £4.50. So yeah, that was really ideal. Had a sandwich. Bought mum this banana. I don't know what the bottom colour is, but it's banana and peach, I think. Showing banana, but oh, it's so nice. Just one of their, it's the 40-hour candles. There's the name on there. So had to buy myself the peach one. So good. I'm telling you, I'm so excited now to get actual bits for in here. I'm proper excited, but the only issue is I don't want to buy too much and like I don't use it, so I'm not gonna. Bought my mum one of these little candles. That's the name on there. This one is the raspberry flavour. This one's really, really nice. For my little brother's wardrobe, my 15-year-old brother, or is he 14? Is he 15? Yeah, he's going to be 15 in August. Bought two £1.50 bath mats. You just literally can't go wrong. If you want to know the price, the name, that is the name right there. £1.50, you literally can't go wrong. And then when we went into the bargain part had them for 75p. One of them had a dirt mark, which I wouldn't have minded. I just have to wash them. But then I just thought, these are clean. I can't be asked to wash. And last but not least, grater. Had to get this grater. I love the fact that it's metal everywhere, because the ones from Poundland like have that plastic on them and then they just get really disgusting. This was like £1, £1.50, so excited for a new grater. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I think that was all the prices. The candles were £2.50, not too bad. The little candle, I think it was like £1.50, £1.25. No freaking way. This was £9. If it was annoyed because I might as well have just bought one off Amazon for £10 that literally goes up and down and stuff. Oh, it's so annoying. Like it said £4.50. No, my mum said it said £4.50, so it might not have been. Also went Primark. Show you a few bits. Toothbrush holders from my partner's place. This blouse is so nice. You're gonna see a haul anyway, but this is what it looks like. A bit creased at the moment. This blue top, because our uniform at work is like navy blue, so I thought this blue top for when it gets warm. My big joggers that I really like. guys, finally found mum jeans. This foundation powder that I know Alex likes and Jodie just put in her favourites, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I have to try it. This cute little top. I'm into cute little tops at the moment. Just looks like this. Face cloths, can't go wrong with these. Are so soft in Primark. I've got a dress. This one's quite a nice thick dress for work, because work is white, the colour. So white and navy blue. So I got that. This little cute top is, oh, it's lovely. You're gonna see it. I'm going to do a try on haul anyway. And like this, another cute little top. You get the gist of it. I'm only showing you quickly. Oh my god, I really hope these fit, because these are perfect for my kind of shape. But they're paper bag waist. Now that doesn't even look like it's gonna fit me, but like the rest does. So hopefully it does. This dress, there was another dress that really caught my eye, and they had like a 14, which looked like it'd be a tiny bit too small, but if I had it in a 16 it would have been perfect. Like I had to size down in some of these dresses, to be fair. So they're quite nice and oversized, and I want them to fit me nicely. This dress here, and this one's kind of like a midi length. Oh, this is another dress, because it's like a blue. Well, I thought it was a blue colour, it now looks grey. And I can't remember the YouTuber's name, I'm going to try and pop it down below. But the front is just a high neck, but if you take the button from the back and just tuck it in, it can be a v-neck. So I'm doing that with some of my dresses. I'm turning them into v-necks because v-necks look better on me. I'm not sure if I like these. These are trousers for work. I felt like with a nice navy blue blouse or like a nice white blouse tucked in, they might be all right. Maybe, not sure. And then this last one is something I can wear in summer with like a pair of shorts, or it's something I can wear to bed, like my Snoop Dogg t-shirt. But it is a MTV t-shirt, and I saw on Sabrina's channel and she has one of these. I only just caught a glimpse of it. I haven't actually watched her video yet, but yeah, got one of these. I got it in 3XL because I can either wear it as a bed shirt, or I can wear it tucked in with my joggers, or I can wear it like with my shorts, depending on the weather. So because with my Snoop Dogg t-shirt, when I was walking the dog, I used to just throw shorts on and run out the door. But yeah, that was everything I got today. Did buy pretzel, downward green, so good. And do any of you know like the sweet corn stand where you can put different flavors? So I got garlic and lemon for me and mum. Oh, so nice. But I feel like they just literally squeeze lemon juice over sweet corn. I had a bacon and egg sandwich for breakfast. She had a bacon and sausage sandwich for breakfast. But yeah, that was everything. So that is the end of this haul, this vlog. Something a little bit different. And I hope you guys do enjoy. So I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.